completing the square. Given that ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, show that x equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic equation, standard quadratic equation, where a, b, and c are constant. Now, to show that x equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, we call this quadratic formula, right? We need the knowledge of completing the square to be able to arrive at this level from the equation given. So the step 1 is we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Step 1 is to divide through by the coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared here is a. So we have ax squared over a plus bx over a plus c over a equal to 0. Now when we divide through by a, we have x squared plus bx over a plus c over a equal to 0. That's step 1. Step 1. Now step 2. We have to transfer the constant of the equation to the right hand side of the equation. The constant is plus c over a. Now we're going to have x squared plus bx over a equal to minus c over a. The constant has gone to the right hand side. Now the third step is to make to add the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. Adding the square of half of the coefficient of x to both sides. That is b over 2a all squared. We have to add that to both sides. We are going to have x squared plus bx over a plus b over 2a all squared. Now you go to minus c over a plus b over 2a all squared. Now remember that b over 2a all squared is the square of half of the coefficient of x. Now that is step 3. Now step 4. Step 4, we look at the equation and make the expression on the left hand side a perfect square. To achieve that, we open a bracket, write x here, x, write x here. Now we have b over 2a here, plus b over 2a. If it is minus b over 2a, we write it here, but this place we have plus b over 2a. We are going to write plus b over 2a, then square the bracket. So we have successfully made the left hand side a perfect square. Now, the right hand side is minus over a plus b squared over 2 squared over 4 and a squared, that's 4a squared. So that is step 4 completed. Step 5, we square both sides. We take the square root of both sides. We take the square root of both sides. So we have x plus b over 2a, that is square root of the left hand side. The square root of the right hand side will be square root of b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Plus or minus should be put there. So we have that for step 5. Now we can simplify step 5 as much as possible, and we have plus or minus root. Taking the LCM of what we have inside is 4a squared, right? Now 4a squared, solving this simple fraction inside, we're going to have b squared, then minus 4ac, the simple fraction. Now that's what we have there. You can further simplify the right hand side, and that will become root, that's plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 4 is 2, the a squared is a. So we have x plus b over 2a is equal to plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. The last step is to make x the subject of the formula. Now x is equal to minus b over 2a plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, at the last level, which is level 6, we try and find the LCM of the right hand side, which is 2a here, 2a, 3, 1, 1 is minus b, minus b, 2a, 3, 1, 1 is plus or minus, roots b squared minus 4ac. So, we have successfully shown that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root squared minus 4ac all over 2a. From the given equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Thank you. The camera woman is athlete, and the tutor is Olasmos Oyewole.